Make a great choice today with the 2022 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror, cloth seat trim. Come see the car for yourself.